Legacy of 1776 is marketed as a patriotic clothing store offering American-themed apparel, 4th of July outfits, and freedom-inspired designs. But the real question is, will you get quality products for your Independence Day celebration, or could you end up disappointed? Now, to be fair, many online patriotic clothing stores are perfectly legitimate businesses. They often sell themed shirts, hoodies, hats, and accessories that appeal to customers looking for holiday or Americana-inspired apparel. What it does well, offers patriotic-themed designs. If you're looking for 4th of July apparel, the store appears to focus heavily on American-themed graphics and messaging. Large selection of products. Many shoppers appreciate having a variety of shirts, hoodies, and accessories to choose from, where the hype falls apart. Product quality can be difficult to judge online. This is the biggest issue. Marketing photos do not always accurately reflect fabric quality, print durability, or fit. Sizing may not match expectations. Online clothing purchases frequently result in sizing surprises, especially if detailed measurements are not reviewed. Shipping times can be a concern. For holiday purchases, delayed delivery could mean receiving items after the event you intended to wear them for. So, will Legacy of 1776 scam you for the 4th of July? Short answer. There is no automatic reason to assume you'll be scammed, but you should evaluate the store the same way you would any online clothing retailer before purchasing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.